Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check other people's best friend on Snapchat. And all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application. If we're going to tap on our messages, then we're going to tap on our profile. From there, we're going to tap on try it first on Snapchat Plus, and we are going to see the option that says hashtag one best friend. And this is going to give us the option to pin one friend as our best friend. Another thing that we can actually do is to go back and we're going to scroll down until we see add friends. Now here at add friends, we are going to know that they do have, or we're going to see the options to see people who have best friends that we have followed, but we are not going to be able to know who those best friends are since Snapchat has put them in private. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.